Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make a salted caramel nut recipe. You can use this in many ways, just for snacking if you would like, as an ice cream topping. I'm going to use it later on in a salad that I'm making as well. So this is a nod to Ina Garten, the Barefoot Contessa, because I saw her do this and I really liked it because it seemed very simple, and on top of it, it also didn't have any cream or butter or milk. So if you need something that is more dairy free, for whatever reasons you're needing that, then this is a good way to start with this. So we start with 1.5 cups of granulated sugar in a medium saucepan, which is about a 10-inch skillet. With that, you add 1/4 cup of water to that, and then you mix it up just so that all of the sugar gets moist. You want to make sure every bit of that sugar has water in there, because dry sugar will not make caramel, it'll just burn for that. So really simple, very easy to use. You have this under a medium to high heat, and you just let that start to cook up. That's going to take a little while. In the meantime, the other ingredients for this are very simple. It's about 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. It is a couple of teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt for that, for the finishing touches of the things. Earlier, I actually took about 4 cups, approximately 4 cups, just a little under that, of mixed nuts for this, and put them into a preheated 350-degree oven for 7 to 8 minutes, just so you can start to smell the flavors, the oils start to release off of that, for a light roast off of these, because it is really more about the caramel sauce and the nuts than it is about the roasting of that, so you don't want to burn them. So I did this earlier so I could get those going, and I had them cooled down and everything so that they're ready to go for this recipe. This will take a little bit, so as this continues to bubble up, I will come back to you all in a couple of minutes here.